Roofing Solutions. Today we're here to do an epoxy install at our local company, Pro Trades. Today we're here to do an epoxy install, transforming their industrial floor into an office setting using a flake system epoxy floor. We're really happy to be a part of this big transition for them. For this epoxy install, we're going to have a 4-step preferred process. First, we're going to remove all the coatings that were previously there and grind the floor. Second, we're going to apply an epoxy primer so that the epoxy will adhere a lot more because we're going to have a lot of foot traffic. Then we're going to install the first coat of epoxy with the flakes and followed by a polyspartic top coat. All right, so we never know what Evan's doing, so I got to get back in there and help him grind this coating off, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, it's day 2 and now we're ready to apply our primer coat, let that cure, and then install our first coat of epoxy with the flakes. All right, so we're gonna let that cure and we'll see you tomorrow for the final top coat. All right, so it's day 3 and we're ready to do our final top coat. I can't wait to show you the final result.